Hey everyone, today we are talking about something really important, family and relationships. Perhe ja suhteet. Family members. Perheenjäsenet. Äiti, mother, isä, father, Veli, brother, Sisko, sister, poika, son, tyttö, daughter, iso äiti, grandmother, iso isä, grandfather, mummo, grandma, Ukki, grandpa, Setä, uncle, eno, uncle. Let's have a look at more family members. Vanhemmat, parents. Vanhempi, parent. Lapsi, child. Vaimo, wife. Mies, husband. Sisarukset, siblings. Sukulaiset, extended family. Täti, aunt. Serkku, cousin. Perhe, family. Poikaystävä, boyfriend. Tyttöystävä, girlfriend. Suhde, relationship. Puoliso, spouse. This was all about Perheenjäsenet. Thank you. If you are enjoying this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.